How to find research papers with Elicit AI. First, open browser and look for Elicit and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, find the search box and enter your research question. For example, type, "How does artificial intelligence affect student learning?" Click Search, and Elicit will find relevant academic papers based on the meaning of your question, not just exact keywords. You'll now see a list of research papers with details, such as the title, authors, publication information, and an AI-generated summary. Click on a paper to explore it in more detail. If you want to narrow down the results, use the available filters to find papers that are more relevant to your research. You can also save useful papers to your library for later. And that's how you can use Elicit AI to quickly and organize research papers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful AI tutorials.